guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to improve your Windows 10 PC performance by disabling your background running apps. To do this guys, you want to open your Windows settings. Just hold Windows key and press I. This is the shortcut key to open the Windows settings. In the Windows settings, find out privacy and open it. In the left panel guys, scroll down, you can get the option background app. Just click on it. From here you want to disable this option, let app run in the background. Just you want to disable this option, that's it. After disabling this guys, now your PC performance will little bit improve. So this is the way to disable the background running app on your Windows 10. So that's it for today guys. This is the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.